Hello guys, welcome to the Tech. As you know, we're actually here for goodies where you get to learn digital skills from affiliate marketing, digital marketing, SEO, and that brings us to today's topic. Yeah, actually I have a bunch of courses on SEO. It's actually not really much, but it's actually a whole lot because they cover a lot in affiliate in SEO, sorry. SEO, if you don't know, stands for search engine optimization. As you can see right here, this is a search from Google. It's a search engine optimization. It's the process of making your site better for search engine. Also, the job title for a person who does this for a living. So, for an example, we just hired a new SEO to improve our presence on the web. So SEO helps you to improve your presence on the web, on the internet, down to from your Facebook page, your WhatsApp, to your YouTube channel, and so on and so forth. So SEO is paramount. So if you don't know what SEO is, or you know about it a little, you want to learn about it, this is a takeaway for you. So I'm going to leave the link in the description below. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. You're going to get access to other beneficial courses I'm going to be dropping soon. So if you have not subscribed, this is the right time to click on that bell. Click on the notification bell and the subscribe button to get subscribed and be notified whenever I drop a video like this. So you can see they have the basics to SEO difference. Let me just put it on list view. So this is it. They have basic to SEO difference in organic versus inorganic, whatever. This is Google ranking words and the basics. Let me show you one of the few effects of SEO. I'm going to search for my name on Google, and you're going to see the first set of pages you're going to see is going to be me. So you can see this is my YouTube channel right here, and this is my Facebook page. This is my GitHub repository portfolio profile. This is my TikTok account. This is me on Pinterest, and this is me on X, which is formerly known as Twitter. And this is my portfolio website and some other few things that I've actually done. So these are my videos, some of my videos. So these are some of my videos on the internet. So you can check for a whole lot of stuffs. You get to see my content. This is a video I make on YouTube, so you can see these are all SEO. So I bet if your name is not if all you're doing is not on the internet and you want to improve your presence, this is how you do it. Let me search for this Levenze Tech in full, and you will still see I'm going to pop up. So you see some of my videos came out and so on and so forth. So that is how you can use SEO to improve your presence. A whole lot can be done to it. Okay, these are alternatives. These these are my courses. Somebody actually used my course to create a blog post. That's funny. Whoever you are, thank you. I really appreciate. So so these are a bunch of courses you can download. All you need to do is to come down here, click on download, and you start downloading. These are their sizes. You can download them individually. You can watch them. You can play them online with your phone or whichever device you're accessing this site with. So I'm going to leave the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye for now.